Hello everyone, this is Pecky Foodie. Today's menu will be mochi, a Singapore-style dessert. After a long time, here comes the dessert in our menu. This is a Chinese dessert and it's very simple to make. You are going to love it. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Mix the flour and the water in a bowl. Make sure there is no lumps left. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. Heat up a frying pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of shallot oil. It will add some nice fragrance to it. At low heat, add in the flour mixture. Using a spatula, stir them around until they become a soft dough. Continue to keep folding them so that the flour is cooked thoroughly. Take note to use a heat-resistant spatula. I'm lucky my spatula didn't melt. Keep flipping the dough until they are very sticky. It will take around 10 minutes to cook. Turn off the fire and do not remove the dough. It is best to separate them from the pan itself. Remove a small portion of the dough and bring them to a plate of peanut mixture. You can cut them using the scissors or a spatula itself. Use a tongue and bring the mochi out to a plate. And it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!